but they don't have any time to spend with me.
Yeah, well, I wish I could have a day like that, 'cause I can't ever get people to stop paying attention to me. No matter how grouchy I am, they keep hanging around my trash can, bothering me. I say scram, beat it, leave me alone, but they just stand there. Well, if you won't go away, I will!
Can you beat that? Here I am, a nice bird, never ever grouchy, and nobody pays any attention to me. And everybody pays attention to Oscar. He's grouchy all the time. Maybe if I was a grouch, people would pay attention to me. Hey, that's a good idea, huh? Oscar, let's trade places. You be nice and I'll be grouchy.
Me be nice?
Well, you won't really be nice. You can just pretend. And I'll pretend to be a grouch. And we'll see if people leave you alone and pay attention to me.
I will not pretend to be nice. Will you get your feathered brain out of my trash can?